If I have a tractor spec to have the infotainment radio system in there with the hands-free, everything then is run through the screen of the tractor. And so when I want to set that one up, is if I go onto my tractor launch pad, and I can go across to the infotainment settings, and in here then is I can scroll through and I can look for all the various different radio stations. I can change then the bandwidth, so AM, FM, or DAB plus in there, and I can then find the radio station that I want. If I know the station by name, is I could put on tap onto the to the search symbol and tap in the station by name to try and find it on there. Down the side here then is this just changes the overall view, so just puts the station list then into a slightly bolder format in there. Across here then, so at the moment as I'm listening to I'll have the radio on there, but then as I can choose then where I want to bring in other audio sources. So is that through the aux port that we'll see up in the roof lining? Am I using Bluetooth or the USB port, or switch back to radio on there? I can mute the terminal on there if I want to on that one. And then in the settings then is, again, I've got my all my particular channel lists in there, and it's here then as I could do presets in here. So if I wanted any of these stations here, is I can just scroll across. Say I wanted this one here, and then I can press and hold it, and then I can do my preset there. If I wanted to delete something off the presets, is just tap it and then move across to the tap onto the trash can and get rid of that one. We can also look at equalizer settings in here, the left to right balance. We can choose the country for the radio detection and the radio sensitivity in there, and then go back to factory preset settings as well. When we're on the main screen, is we can see then our radio station list, and if I've got any presets in down here, I can then jump to them, or because I've got nothing here, there's a radio station already playing, is again I can tap and hold onto there and take through the preset onto that particular button, and again is I can mute or unmute the radio there. Down on the armrest itself then is we have a rotary dial, smaller rotary dial on that one, and so then is I can either alter volume on there with a twist. If I push it, then I'll be muting the radio. And then if I notch side to side, then as it will scroll through the various radio stations in there as well with that sideways push.